class, this is Miss Champagne, and I'm about to teach you percent word problem number 2. And this is IXL lesson A1-D.7. And number 2 says, there are 36 carpenters in a crew. On a certain day, 29 were present. What percentage showed up for work? Round to the nearest whole number. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is write down the question. What percentage showed up for work? So I'm going to take this. My question is what, and I'm going to abbreviate, I'm going to write a symbol for percent. Percent showed up for work. What do I know from the problem? Let me write down the information that the problem says. It says there are 36 carpenters in a crew. 36 carpenters in a crew means that that is the total number of people in that crew. So I'm going to put 36 carpenters total. Okay. Another piece of information. On a certain day, 29 were present. So we also know that 29 were present. Now, under what we can infer, or what we can figure out, we can infer a couple of different things. We can infer what a carpenter is. A carpenter is a person that builds things out of wood primarily and other materials. Carpenters do work like cabinets and different things that you find that's doors that's made out of wood around your house. A crew, that's a group of workers, is called a crew. We know that present could mean a gift, but in this sentence it means here. It means that there were 29 were there. They were present. If 29 were present, we know that the total was 36. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can figure out that 7 were absent. 7 crew members were not there because 29 plus 7 gives us the 36 total people that were there. A picture with numbers. That is where we're going to set up our proportion. Remember, anytime you see a percent problem, it's is over of is the total, is equal to percent over 100. And we know that this 100 always goes here. So let's look for some clues. Let's look into what we know. Do you see a number that has a percent sign next to it? No, we don't. So we know that the percent is going to be the box that's empty. You're always going to have three boxes filled in and one empty. This is the one that's going to be empty. So all we have to fill in is our is and our of. Which one of these numbers represents the total amount? That one goes on the bottom. So 36 is the total amount. It'll go here at the bottom. 29 then would go at the top. So we would have 29 over 36. 29, I'll say here, because present means here, equals what percent? Remember, you have to have the same word. was here. Here, here, and 100 always goes here. Now all you have to do is cross multiply whatever two numbers that are across from each other. You multiply and then you divide by that third number. So first you cross multiply, and second you divide by the number that's left out. So I'm going to get the calculator. And I'm going to cross multiply, excuse me, 29 times 100 gives me 2,900. And then you just divide by this 36 that's left out. So today I'm going to use this calculator. And I'm going to do 2,900 divided by 36. And that'll give us the answer to the empty box, which is 80.555%. If we're rounding to the nearest whole number, that means we're rounding to this number that's in front of the decimal. The 5 makes the 8 go up to a 1. So this is actually 81%. So 81% were there, which means that you have 100 minus 81. 100% minus 81% means that there were 19% that were absent, because 81 plus 19 is 100. The question, let's answer the question, will be done. What percent showed up for work? The answer would be 81% showed up for work. And that's it.